Hello everyone, I hope that everyone is doing good. So in this video I'm gonna explain you guys that how you can use ChatGPT, which is basically a new AI artificial intelligence software, a website in which you can write captions for your YouTube scripts. Like you can also write a blog as well. Anything that you like you can write here. So for example, I'm going to show you something else. You're going to go to this website chat.openai.com. So it's not available for everyone right now because there are a lot of people coming on this website. So the website is completely down right now. So what you're going to do, you're going to log in first. I'm going to link this website in my description. So you're going to come here and write anything. For example, I'm going to write me a letter to my school saying I am sick. So it's basically a thing that I've typed. So I have to refresh it first. So I'm going to refresh this first, and here it is accessing it. So I'm going to show you guys that this is the best tool that I've experienced, because it can write anything for you, especially from email letter to complete blog post. See, it's showing we are experiencing exponentially high demand, so please hang tight. So sometime it will show this, but it will exponentially work. So I'm gonna write here whatever you like, it's gonna answer you. For example, I'm gonna go here and type write me an email saying I am sick. Now it's gonna write me an email proper email. See, it's automatically writing. I'm doing nothing. And it's completely scary because it can do anything for you. See, it has written, I want to let you know that I'm feeling unwell and will not be able to come into my office today. See how crazy it is. So I'm gonna go change my name here and just copy paste. That's it. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and test something else, which is write me a 3-paragraph essay on ancient civilization, and just type. It's gonna write me a 3 paragraphs. How crazy it is. See, because I think that this can really like change our lives if we are gonna use it correctly. And see, it has written 2 paragraphs and it's writing the 3rd one, and this is completely free, guys. You can access this and enjoy it. For example, I want to write a YouTube script. I'm gonna go here and type how to make money online in 2023. It's gonna write me all the scripts, all the three points. See, let me completely explain it here. For example, I'm gonna go here and type financial 3 points. Write me 3 points on financial market. See, it's gonna write me 3 points on financial markets. See how crazy it is. So it was basically a quick video related to Chat OpenAI. So if you guys like this video, click thumbs up and enjoy this now, and hope that you're gonna use this software for completely a nice thing. So enjoy this video, guys. See you in the next video.